I'm gonna punch someone right in the balls if you don't make it this time.
Hello, everybody.
But if here, I'm Cameron.
And I'm Jerry.
We're gonna be playing the Millionaire Quiz game.
Yeah. We're going to do some trivias.
Lemurs are unique to which island in the Indian Ocean? Madagascar, Java, Sri Lanka, or Borneo?
Madagascar.
Yep.
Was it right?
Mm-hmm. $200. What is one better than par on a golf hole? A Bernie, a burger, a birdie, or a birdie? I think it's a birdie, right?
One better than par?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was birdie.
Yeah. Doing it. 300. How many years did the 21-year war between Sweden and Russia last? I have no fucking idea.
What are the options?
55, 2, 103, and 21.
I don't think it was 21. But go with 21.
I think it's going to be 103. Oh, no, it's 21.
It is 21?
Yeah, because the 100 Years' War did not last 100 years.
No, it didn't.
It lasted 16. What does a nidologist do? Nidologist study. Bird's nest, waves, clouds, caves.
What is it again?
A nidologist.
Waves?
Bird's nests. What the fuck?
I would never have guessed that.
Well, again, we won 0.
Yay.
Who was the man in black? Johnny Cash.
Will Smith.
What is the name for the surface traditionally used by painters for mixing their colors? A palette, sandwich board, trestle, or a plate? Palette.
Yeah. Do you like Johnny Cash?
Yeah, I have a Johnny Cash CD right up there. Why?
Oh, I didn't know you actually liked him.
Which of these famous philosophers is Greek? Socrates.
I would know. You didn't read me the rest of the choices.
I didn't even have to. I didn't need to confer. I knew. How many Bronte sisters were they?
How many what?
Bronte sisters were there? Charlotte Bronte.
I don't even know what that is.
Should I call someone?
Yes.
Call. Pick option D. Do not forget my commission. Fuck you.
Make it C.
It's D. I would have fucking ripped your head off if I found that out. We're going to make $1,000 Renos.
Yay.
Olympic gold medalist Ian Thorpe, Stephanie Rice, Elizabeth Trickett, Mike Wendon, and John Hengrens represent which country?
Europe?
Thorpe, Rice, Trickett, Wendon, Henricks.
What are the
Let's say
options?
Australia. What?
What are the options?
Finland, Australia, New Zealand, or Sweden? It could be. I'm thinking it could be Australia or New Zealand.
I was going to say New Zealand.
Whoa,
Whoa, what the heck?
New Zealand then. What?
Why is another one of these things happening?
Nope, it was Australia. I was right.
What'd you want? What would you go with?
New Zealand. I don't know why. We won $0.
Yay.
What is the compound that is released if the body has an allergic reaction to something? Allergistamine, histamine, allergistamine, histamine, history, hemophilia. It's a histamine, I think.
It's history.
I don't even know if that top one is a word or not. Kotoku is in which country? Myanmar, Japan, Greece, or Ireland?
What is the name?
Kotuko? Kotoko?
I have
Kotoku?
no idea.
Kotuko? I know Japan. Sounds Japanesey. Yeah, it is.
I don't know what this thing is or what it just dropped.
Who was the mentor of the Greek writer Plato? Garincha, Pella, Zico, or Socrates? It's Socrates. If it's not Socrates, I'll rip my nut hairs out. Okay, good. That's what I thought.
What if it wasn't?
I'd have to rip my nut hairs out.
Would you actually?
No. Which of these cities was not part of the
What did I get from this?
Hungarian Empire in 1914? Bratislava, Sarajevo.
What is the what? I just got 100
London.
rupees for that.
London?
I'm sorry. I just had something happen that I've never had happen before.
What?
Another giant octo appeared. I've never seen a second one.
In 2008, Eva Longoria Parker started in over her what? Roof, shoes, dead body, or head?
Head?
What?
Head.
Sure. Pretty sure it's dead body. Yep.
Really?
Yes.
There's a movie called Over Her Head.
$0. Man, we are fucking making a killing.
We are.
I'm so glad we decided to play this.
Why?
Because we're just raking in the zero monies.
Oh.
We're rich. How are polygraph machines more popularly known? Printers, microwave ovens, laser guns, or lie detectors? Lie detectors.
I don't know. Microwave ovens, man. Those are some shady little things.
Which of these historic figures died first? Albert Einstein, Winston Churchill, Abraham Lincoln, or Theodore Roosevelt? Wow.
Theodore Roosevelt.
Abraham Lincoln.
I know.
The Hong Kong Sevens, a competition for seven-a-side rugby, has been held at one venue since 1994. John F. Kennedy Stadium, Hong Kong Stadium, Lord's, Wembley Stadium. I think it's Wembley.
It's who gives a crap stadium.
Oh yeah, it's fucking rugby. Who cares? It's Hong Kong. Where's Wembley anyway? I wouldn't be surprised if that doesn't even exist.
Probably near Wimbledon.
What?
It's probably near Wimbledon.
Is that a thing?
It's the tennis place.
Who is the Spanish surrealist who lived from 1904 to 1989?
Bob
Salvador Dali, Peter Paul Rubens, Roy Lichtenstein.
Salvador
Claude
Dali.
More like Salvador Can't Dali.
Was it Dali?
Yeah, of course.
It was?
Yes.
Wow, I just guessed.
Complete the title on this James Bond film. On Her Majesty's Secret Service, I think. Oh, yeah. What is the national bird of New Zealand? An emu, a kiwi, an albatross, or a hawk?
I think it's a hawk.
It's a kiwi.
Is it?
Yes. If I am wrong, I will eat ass. Okay, cool.
Whose is a hawk then?
I don't fucking know.
It's Uzbekistan, isn't it?
Oh, yes, of course. Who performed Sex Crimes, the theme song from the film 1984? Oh, wait, there was a fucking movie about that? Huh. Wham. What? Sex Crimes? I don't fucking know.
Wham?
You sure?
I don't know. It's the only one I've heard of.
I can call in.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's B.
Was that Wham?
No. How the what? I've never even heard of that band.
What band?
I can't even pronounce their name. What name is used for
what?
What name is used for a European region which spreads over southern France and northern Spain? Basque country, Casque country, Mask country, Task country. I don't know.
I have no idea.
Let's go with A. Secret option A. How the fuck am I right? Oh my god. Our first time being at $2,000.
Yeah.
Which company's first computer, the 701, was produced in 1953? I think it was IBM. I think.
Irritable bowel movement.
I'm pretty sure it could be Dell, though. I don't know. Oh, I was right.
It was Dell?
It was IBM.
Oh.
Which Russian composed God Bless America?
Steve Buscemi.
Nikolai Rimsky-Korsakov. I think it's a Irving Berlin. Leonard Bernstein.
Leonard Bernstein.
You sure?
Yes.
Nope, Irving Berlin. We were both wrong. We got $1,000 though.
We're rich
rolling
and
in it. Which of the following styles involves painting with your fingers? Finger painting.
What are the other options?
Sculpture, photography, pottery.
Well, I mean, technically, sculpture is.
What name links soccer clubs from Madrid and Betis? I don't fucking know.
What are the options?
All Stars, United Rangers, and
United.
Real. Huh?
United.
I hope. Real.
I've heard of Manchester United.
That's not... Oh my god.
What?
They didn't say Madrid and someplace else. Those aren't...
Oh, you said Madrid.
Yes.
I could have sworn you said Manchester.
No. A painter uses what to hold up his up his canvas? Easel, rock, people, rope, and easel.
People? I like that one.
Which of these is a type of dog? Deep water flathead, giant schnauzer, southern lake cutthroat eel.
Giant schnauzer.
You sure?
A schnauzer's a dog.
I know, but I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm flying blind here, dog. In track and field, what does PB stand for? Pumped biceps, practically brilliant, personal best. Ooh, 500. On which island would you find the holiday resort of Magaloff? These are... What? What?
Tell me them.
I call them in. Tenerife, Majorca, Ibiza, Benidorm.
I have no idea.
The guy told me B, so I'm gonna go with B. Yep, that's correct. I fucking... Okay. What is the name of the protein found in wheat flour? Gluteus maximus. Gluten. It's gluten. Glouten. 2000. What piece of music was used by Jane Torvell and Christopher Dean when they won Olympic gold medals at Sarajevo in 1984? Bernstein's Tonight, Ravel's Bolero, Gershwin's Summertime, Hendrix's Purple Haze.
Purple Haze?
You want me to do that?
I think it might actually be.
Okay. I'm gonna die. It's Ravel's Bolero.
That's what happens when you listen to me.
Well, I don't want to play this alone, you know. Henry Matisse's first big work was at which 1907 Paris event? The Christmas Parade, the World's Fair, the Rose Bowl Parade, the 4th of July fireworks. I don't fucking know. The World's Fair, I guess.
I don't know. I would say
I think
the
that's
Rose
in
Bowl.
Chicago. Oh, okay. That's right.
It is?
Yeah.
I got one right.
What instrument is featured in Mexican mariachi bands? Piano, cello, tuba, trumpet. Trumpet. Oh, yeah. With all these $1,000 we're making. What procedure was first performed by Dr. Christian Bernard in 1967?
Heart transplant? What?
Heartburn. I'm dying.
I don't think it's heartburn. I got the ghost ship chart. Yay. What are the options?
In vitro fertilization, heart transplant, dialysis, laser eye surgery.
I said heart transplant as a gut reaction.
I'm assuming that's going to be it. Probably not, though. I can't believe that's correct.
It is?
Yes.
Hey, I know things.
The name of which cocktail means daisy? Caipirinha, martini, mojito, margarita. I don't know.
Do we still have the call-up person?
I think so.
I think it's mojito, but make sure.
It's D. No, the guy told me D.
What's D?
Margarita.
Go with it.
Okay.
They haven't just steered us wrong yet.
Surprisingly. Oh, we're at 1,000. Roo is a character in which Disney film? Finding Nemo, The Incredibles, The Lion King, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, right?
Wait, what is it?
Roo.
Oh, Roo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Winnie the Pooh. I thought you said Gru. I was like, no, that's Despicable Me.
New Grange is in which country?
What is it?
New Grange.
I have no idea. I don't even know what that is.
Fuck, neither do I.
Do we have any lifelines?
What is this one? We can do a 50-50. Okay, so it's either in Ireland or United States of America. I want to say Ireland.
Yeah, I'd say Ireland.
And we're wrong.
Are you
serious?
serious?
Oh my god, we're right.
Oh.
We're finally at $4,000.
Yay.
Marco van Basten stood out in which team? Oh my god, stop with this fucking sports questions.
What's the options?
Real Madrid, Milan, Olympic Marseille, and Manchester United.
I want to say Manchester United or Real Madrid.
Ooh.
Do we have any lifelines left?
We have a couple.
Let's use one.
What's this one too? The audience voted that it's answer B, which is Milan.
Huh.
So
I'm wrong then.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, yeah. I'm glad I didn't go with you. Which band from Iceland was Bjork a part of in the 80s? I don't fucking know. Who's Bjork?
She's a singer.
Right. I don't know what kind of music she makes, but I'm kind of inclined to say this Mortal Coil.
I don't know.
I could call in.
Yeah.
That's... Oh, no, I can't. We're out. We've got to...
You guess.
The Mortal Coil? It's wrong. It's Sugar Cubes. Yeah,
the Sugar Cubes.
Everyone's listened to the Sugar Cubes before. They're just one of the best bands ever. What is calligraphy? Beautiful writing. I wish they would stop giving us fucking sports questions.
And obscure music ones.
Right. Give me some fucking good shit.
Where's the video game related questions?
Where's the fucking history? Where's literally every other subject? Ugh. Which ship sailed from England to Massachusetts in 1620 carrying the... Oh, yeah, the Mayflower. The Mayflower? Super Mayflower.
Why is everything super with you?
I don't know, because I'm stupid. Which fluid is secreted to regulate blood sugar levels? Insulin. What was the period when machines took the place of hand tools called?
Yesterday?
Workplace revolution, industrial revolution, machine period, high-tech period.
Industrial?
Yep, probably. On what ship did Jason travel to Colchis to steal the Golden Fleece?
What are the options?
Argo, Titanic, Gypsy Moth, or the Beagle? I think it's Argo.
I think, yeah, I was going to say the same thing.
If it's the Jason I'm thinking of. Yep. Oh, we're at 2000 and we didn't use thingy.
Cool.
Who was Mr. Ed's owner in the TV series featuring a talking horse? Who the fuck is Mr. Ed?
I know Mr. Ed. He's the talking horse that they used to put peanut butter in his upper lip. They're like, oh, horrible.
Who owned that bitch?
What are the choices?
Samantha, Jeannie, Richie, Wilbur.
Wilbur.
Wow.
Ha!
What?
I was right.
Which of the following people did not invade Ireland? Normans, Celts, Vikings, or the Romans?
I have no idea.
I think the Normans.
You think?
Yeah.
50-50 it.
Okay. Oh. Vikings or the Romans?
I want to say the Romans.
I want to say the Vikings.
Should we call somebody?
And waste 2 on 1?
I mean, we're going to lose.
Whatever, call. It's D. Are you sure it's the Romans? Really? Alright, I guess it is the Romans.
See, I told you.
Huh. Who is the first black actress to win an Oscar? Ethel Waters, Hattie McDaniel, Angela Bassett, or Dorothy Dandridge?
I think it's Angela Bassett.
Okay. Hattie McDaniel. Whoever that is.
Seriously?
Yep. Whoever that is.
That is dumb. Take it away from her.
Where were the 2012 Paralympics held? Paraguay, Copacabana, at Shakir's, UK, London, UK.
I have no idea.
I'm gonna fucking go with London because I fucking have no idea. It's the only thing I recognize. How the fuck am I right?
You are?
Yeah. The main character in the movie Fred Claus is the brother of whom, Santa?
That was kind of obvious.
That's a fucking trash movie, too.
I've never seen it.
It's trash. What nationality was the children's author Eric Kastner? What the fuck? How am I supposed to know that?
What?
What nationality was the children's author Eric Kastner? French, Irish, Argentinian, or German?
I think Irish or German.
Alright, I'm going with Irish because the first thing you said. Wrong. It's German.
Tommy.
You said Irish or German. I just fucking...
So why'd you go with the wrong one?
How the fuck am I supposed to know? Which animals feature on the Australian coat of arms? Squirrel and gerbil.
What are the other options?
I fucking hope not. Zebra and chicken, kangaroo and emu, or a gorilla and a goldfish.
I think it's the kangaroo and emu.
I don't fucking know.
It's Australia.
Yeah.
The only place kangaroos exist.
Yeah, that doesn't mean they have to pick one for their thingy.
Yes, it does.
What is the name of the large coral reef off Australia's shore?
The Great Barrier Reef.
Great Barrier Reef. Alright. What color is the background of the Olympic flag? Fuck if I know, I don't care.
What
White,
are the options?
green, blue, yellow.
I want to say white, but it could be yellow.
I'm gonna go with white because that seems right in my head. Yep.
Yellow?
White.
White. Oh, okay.
Which team plays its home games in Anfield? Arsenal, Newcastle United, Liverpool, or Milan? A lot of
Why
these
are there so many soccer questions?
Not only that, they're not even like teams that are like American, so we'd have no real way of knowing them. I don't think they show other soccer teams over here unless it's like the World Cup.
Oh no!
What?
I need a stupid pair.
Ha!
Ugh.
Should I just say Newcastle?
Sure.
Actually, I should probably say Liverpool.
Whoa, wait. We have things left, don't
Oh,
we?
right. Oh, I was right anyway.
Okay, good.
1,000,000. Tiger Lily is a character from which
Peter
animated
Pan.
film? Okay.
I was right?
Yep. Who wrote the poem A Red Rose? Shakespeare, Dante, Robert Burns, or Stephen King?
I have no idea. I want to say Stephen King.
I'll 50-50 it. I think it's Robert Burns. Robert Burns! Oh, yeah.
I don't know anything about poetry. Why would you even listen to me?
I don't think I did.
I know, but you said I'm going to 50-50. I assumed that would to see if it would get rid of one of our choices.
Which American outlaw was born as Harry Longbaugh? Pretty sure that's the Sundance Kid.
I was going to say Billy the Kid.
Yeah, that's there. Should I pick that?
I would phone somebody because I don't know.
Superphone.
Sure.
I'm not sure. The person who is supposed to help you, on the phone with the person who is supposed to help you, and says, I'm not sure. Maybe the C option.
What's C?
The Sundance Kid.
You were confident in that, right?
Kind of.
Go with it. It's on you if we lose.
I was right.
Yay.
But now we don't have a call.
Yay.
8,000. We're finally here.
Yay.
Jamaica's Usain Bolt won a gold medal in which event of the 2008 Olympics? The 100-meter sprint, 110-meter hurdles, steeplechase, marathon.
Oh,
I think it's the 100-meter sprint.
I want to say so too.
I think he's the fastest runner in the world. Is why I want.
He is, but that it could be the marathon too because of that.
I don't know. I don't know if he's an endurance runner or not.
I don't know. I think the meter sprint sounds the best.
I could do an audience vote.
Do you think we should have already?
No, I'm not sure. You're not sure.
Okay.
I would say 100-meter sprint.
Okay.
Should I do the...
Yeah, do the audience vote.
Yeah, 59% is the 100-meter sprint.
Okay.
Am I right? I'm right.
Yay.
Oh, my God. What number was not a boy band? East 17, All for One, One Town, Heaven 17.
It's either D or A.
Which one?
I don't know. But I know it's one of those two.
Jerry, you have to pick right now.
Say them all again.
East 17, All for One, One Town, or Heaven 17.
Heaven 17.
You sure?
No.
Oh my God. I'll put faith in that answer. So I'm gonna go with Heaven 17.
Okay.
We lost.
It was
it's
A.
One Town.
It was A, right?
No, it was One Town. It was C.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Fuck. This is actually fun though.
It is. All of our money's gone now.
From which country do Renault cars traditionally come? Scotland, Albania, France, or Greece? Oh, I say France.
I was going to say the same.
France it is.
Albania, right?
France.
Okay. I was just prepared for us to be wrong.
I'm not very good at like stupid trivia like this.
I should have bought a backup pair in case I fail.
Huh. Malaga is in which country? Spain, Germany, United Kingdom, or Poland?
Poland?
I think so. It seems right. Spain. Cool.
So, you know Yakko Warner's voice actor made an updated version of the countries of the world?
I heard you listening to it, I think, at one point.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
He can still do the voice really well.
Which of these is a musical film that featured Doris Gray? Misadventure Jack, Crisis Joan, Disaster Jenny, or Calamity Jane?
I've only ever heard of Calamity Jane.
So that's the one we'll go with. And that is correct.
Good. I've never heard of the others.
I don't think any of those are real. Which 20th century artist was originally named after Andrew Warhol? You mean Warhol? Francis Bacon, Henry Moore, Andy Warhol. Oh, Andy Warhol. Oh. Oh!
I think you solved it with your joke.
Whoa! It wasn't a joke. I didn't realize there was an Andy Warhol.
Oh, this is going to be difficult. I have to not get hit by any of these birds. But trigger... No! Oh.
You're up Titty Creek without a paddle now.
Dang it!
God fucking damn, dude. In which city is a mausoleum where Lenin's involved... I think it's Moscow. Who had a team of Dr. Eric Foreman, Dr. Robert Chase, and Dr. Allison Cameron? Dr. Sheldon Hawks?
I have no idea.
Oh, Dr. Gregory House. House.
I would say House.
I wish they put that back on Netflix because I never got to finish watching that show.
House is good.
Yeah, it is a good show.
This is so nerve-wracking. Dang it.
Gustav Klimt's group, the Kanzler Company, meant company of what in German? I don't know, friends, singers, strangers, artists.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
What?
I guess we'll go with friends. I don't know why you'd have company of strangers. Artists. How about you do the world a favor, Germany, and just kill yourself? Just fucking the entire country. Just die. That's pretty spooky, kid.
Oh, my word!
Don't fuck it up.
I only have to hit one more switch. What? 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 Where's the last switch? I thought I only had that one left. Oh, there's one over there. Crud. 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 Go faster, Seagull. Descend. Descend. No. No. Ah.
Oh!
Link, save me! No! Seagull! Hit it, hit it, hit it! No!
Fly out a little bit further.
Please, 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 please. Oh, what the? You could have stuck your tongue out and licked the top of it and activated him.
Do birds have tongues?
I don't know. These things chasing me do.
Been flying around as a seagull so long it's now day.
Oh, come on. What's the question again?
I don't know. I fucking gave up, honestly.
What?
What?
I just flew right over it and didn't hit it. Please, Senior McSmelly Butt. You try giving him a name.
I don't have a name for him. I look like his fucking mom. It's a Mr. Pink. His name is Mr. Pink.
Mr. Pink?
Yeah. Do you know
Okay,
who
Mr. Pink.
Do you know who Mr. Pink is?
Nope.
You've never seen Reservoir Dogs?
What the heck? What?
It's Steve Buscemi's character in Reservoir Dogs.
I've never seen Reservoir Dogs.
What the fuck?
Oh my word, Mr. Seagull.
I'm gonna punch someone right in the balls if you don't make it this time.
You didn't close the app, did you?
I think I did. I don't know. Yeah, I did. Or it closed itself when I... What?
How is he not hitting it? No! That was so stupid.
Should we end the episode?
No.
It's been 30 minutes. Can you hear me?
I heard how long it's been. We're actually doing Triforce stuff now.
I don't know. I'll be back.
Where are you going?
I don't know. Take some Tums or I'll die. I'll be back.
I got it! That was awful. Okay, so I got this chest. Yay, you got a Triforce chart. All that's left now is the Ghost Ship Triforce chart. And then I can start fishing for these things. Shoot, I don't remember where the Ghost Ship goes. Okay, well, I can go to that one then. I'm gonna go to Great Fish Isle and wait out the Ghost Ship here. Very nice. Okay, so I'm waiting out the ghost ship. Gonna eventually run into it here. I think I'm gonna go closer to Great Fish. Huh. I didn't know it showed that. I immediately have to change the wind to northeast. Or west, I mean. Head toward Diamond Step Island and I'll find the ghost ship there. And I think he's finally back. Take a couple tums. How many? 3. That's it? Because that's illegal. You're supposed to take even numbered.
What are you doing now?
I'm trying to get to the ghost ship before it turns into day. The ghost ship is right over there.
Uh-huh. What do you do on the ghost ship?
It's the last Triforce chart. I have all of them except for that one.
Oh.
Then I go get them deciphered and I can finally go fishing.
Huh. And we can spend 60 million years doing that.
Yep. There's the ghost ship. Come on. Please get there before day. Please get there before day.
Don't you have a clock?
Huh?
Don't you have a clock in this game?
Yeah, but it's only in a certain place. It changes its location depending on the moon. So while it's here tonight, it won't be here the next night.
The clock?
Huh?
The clock?
What do you mean the clock?
Don't you have a watch in this game? I could have sworn you did.
No.
You press right on the D-pad? Yeah.
Yeah, it's showing the sun's coming up. Come on. Come on, just sail into the boat. Sail into the boat. Come on, come on, come on. Get there, get there, get there. Yes.
The Flying Dutchman.
Oh, shoot. I forget how to beat the pose. Because I don't have a... Oh, there's light in here. Okay. Where is the wizard robe? heck is the whiz robe? Okay, got the whiz robe out of the way. Uh-oh, no.
What does that do?
All the controls are reversed.
All this way only to get his skull crushed by a ladder. Oh, wow. When the fuck do you need money?
Well, because we did the Tingle statues, I don't.
It's going to be hard replaying this without Tingle, huh?
Yeah.
Knowing that how little effort it took. Did you get them deciphered?
Yeah, I'm honestly surprised. I didn't think the reward would be paying for the Triforce charts. That seems like an easy win.
Yeah.
And I can never go on the ghost ship again.
Yeah?
Yep. Okay, so that's all set. Time to go to Tinkle, get these deciphered, and the next episode will end up being the fishing episode. We have a fishing episode!
No! No!
Fishing is the best thing in the world.
I was just so glad it's not like Ocarina of Time.
You're right, it's worse. Because you have to be pinpoint perfect with where you are.
Ugh. The fishing in Ocarina of Time was a trash heap.
It really wasn't. I was just bad at it.
Yes, that's what I mean. You're terrible.
Hey, I have feelings, you know.
It's not as bad as like the Cat stuff in Sonic Adventure, I have to say. But still pretty fucking bad, though. Check the box.
It's not dancing. There's nothing in it.
There's a super secret message in it from James Bond, though.
I don't like James Bond, so he can go kill himself.
Wow, that's pretty fucking cold, actually.
Well, I mean, the new James Bond's a woman.
What?
Yeah.
When?
The next James Bond movie that's coming out is going to be a woman.
Why?
The first female James Bond.
Why?
Because James Bond is just a code name.
007 is his code name. James Bond. What?
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Kulimpa. Become readable. You got your chart deciphered. Yeah, decipher another. Kulimpa. Tingle dabbed before it was cool. Don't you just love that noise of rupees going down?
No. Can you do the final dungeon without these, by the way?
Nope.
God. That's pretty evil.
There, that's all of them. And I still have over 1,000 rupees left. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode. Next episode, we're going to go and fish.
Cool.
So thank you so much for watching.
Yep, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.